Are you sure?
Yeah.
I don't... Why would you... Come on. This guy? Seriously?
Let's just call it the fallacy of sunk costs.
I want you to stay.
Kim, when I was out there,
Till I'm in the grave.
I didn't think I was gonna make it. I was that close to giving up. The only thing that kept me going
Till I'm in the casket.
was knowing that you were here.
You go, I'm going too.
When you were gone, I didn't know what happened. I mean, I thought you were dead.
And if I'm
So,
turning blue, please don't
spells help me to see what's important and what isn't.
without my baby. Birds of a feather, we
Nice house, huh?
together. I know
Yeah,
I said I'd never.
maybe someday.
I wasn't better alone. Can't change the way
I love seeing you like this.
But if it's forever, it's even better.
This might not be what you dreamed of when you were 12.
It's not about that. This is just, everything we talked about. Why don't you get one of those smokers?
Yeah, we definitely gotta get a smoker.
It's a good wall. We'll get another.
A better wall.
I want you to see how you look to me. You wouldn't believe if I told you.
You know I believe in you.
Compliments I throw you, but you're so full of
New bid office. Okay, here we go.
Jimmy, I have been on your side since the day we met. Jimmy, you are always down.
Say you don't see it.
Am I bad for you?
Polluted. Say you wanna quit.
Are you bad for me?
Stupid. And I don't know.
It's a keeper.
Crying for. I don't think I could love you more.
You good?
Might be
Great.
but baby, I don't wanna say goodbye.
No, Kim, you make me happy. We make each other happy. How can that be bad?